20 minutes of nonstop news continues with our coverage of the coronavirus outbreak and protecting senior citizens. They're the most vulnerable to developing complications if they contract the virus.
NBC 10 wanted to find out what assisted living facilities are doing to keep their residents away from anyone at risk.
NBC 10 South Jersey Bureau reporter Sydney Long is live in Cherry Hill with that. Sydney.
Well, Jim and Jacqueline, good afternoon. Prevention and detection are key here at the Spring Hills Assisted Living Facility. So when visitors arrive, they are greeted by a couple of things. First off, a CDC-issued Stop the Spread of Germs flyer, but also, and we've all been doing this lately, is hand sanitizer. But before people can visit with their friends or loved ones, they would have to be cleared by the front desk about any of their recent travel and also how they're feeling.
As residents relax by the fire to the sounds of Sinatra, maintenance coordinator Ted Warner is doing his rounds.
We're taking the extra steps and making sure every knob, every handle, every little button is cleaned, sanitized.
He's disinfecting everything from door handles to banisters, railings and armchairs, where some 120 residents at Spring Hills Assisted Living Facility enjoy common area conversation and companionship.
It hits home. You know, we have a similar type of population.
Residents learned today of New Jersey's first coronavirus death. It's under investigation. And have been paying close attention to the government's directives.
Our hearts break for the families at the Kirkland Nursing Home in Seattle. The loss of life has been grievous.
Vice President Pence announcing Monday inspectors will work with nursing homes and similar healthcare facilities nationwide on infectious disease compliance.
I'm obviously concerned about it. I don't think we should be overly concerned.
Spring Hills is not a nursing home, but they are screening all visitors.
The front desk is keen on asking everyone to make sure that they're screened, and if it's not a good idea for them to visit, then obviously we would ask them to not visit at that time.
A measure residents are grateful for.
Well, I don't want to get the disease. Right. And if they're that close, evidently you can.
Equipping visitors and residents with sanitizer for safekeeping.
Doing everything we can to prevent and detect is going to be a huge part of what we continue to do.
And we asked, but thankfully Spring Hills tells us that they have not been hit hard by the flu this year. Sadly, though, hugging has been a little bit off limits. Residents today, they enjoyed a little bit of a fist bump or elbow bump with us today, a tiny little bit less affection. But obviously, to play it safe, it's for good reason. We're live in Cherry Hill. I'm Sydney Long, NBC 10 News.
All right, Sydney, thank you for that.